So the first step is to simply go to openai.com, and then you're gonna have to scroll down until you see the download link right here, and then you're gonna get redirected here. Now, as you can see, you can download ChatGPT on your mobile device or on your desktop. So simply click on download for macOS, and then the download should start automatically. Now, after it finishes, simply double click on it, and then you're gonna have to simply drag ChatGPT into applications, and basically that's all you have to do. Now, let me close this, and then let's open the Launchpad, and as you can see, we have the ChatGPT app right here. So simply open it, and then you're gonna have to simply log in into your account, and that's all you have to do.